Hello, hello again, guys. Guess who it is? Who is it? What's my name? It's Miss T. And it's story time again. And this time, Miss T is going to read a book called Hello Bird. Remember, we are still talking about birds. So I hope you're doing your work at home. It says, Hello Bird. Hello, bird. Hello, bird. Why are you so still? Why are you so still? Tickle, tickle. Little blue eggs. Are they new? How many? One, two. Hello, bird. How many are inside? Knock, knock, knock. More chickens come out to feed. Look at the chickens. Hello, bird. Where did you go? Where's the bird? Where did he go? I don't know. Let's see. Hello, sandpiper. Now I see you are in the grass, hiding from me. The bird was hiding. Hello, bird. What makes you scared? Let me show you. There he is. That's a beautiful bird. Peacock. Oh, a storm. But you're not shy. Look at all those eyes looking at you. Oh my goodness. Hello, bird. Where do you fly? Forward, backward, up and down. The hummingbird zips round and round. The hummingbird. Hello, bird. Who are you? What is that? What kind of bird is that? Snowy owl. You camouflaged from sight. We talked about the snow owl last year. Ooh, I hope you guys remember. Hello, birds. Who likes the cold? Who likes the cold? Do you like the cold? I love it. A cardinal loves the cold, I'm told. There he is. He likes the cold. The end. Hello, bird. I hope you guys enjoyed that story. Until next time, see you guys.